Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you still picking stocks based on a gut feeling or that one hot tip from your cousin? What if I told you the biggest players on Wall Street are using a secret weapon you can now have right on your laptop? And no, it's not some expensive, exclusive software. It's the AI revolution, and it's completely changing the game for personal investing. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage AI to potentially supercharge your portfolio. Find hidden gems and manage risk like a seasoned pro. The future of wealth building is here, and you're about to get the inside scoops. So what's all the buzz about? When we say AI in investing, we're not talking about sci-fi robots predicting the future. We're talking about powerful algorithms that can analyze millions of data points in seconds. Think news articles, social media sentiment, company earnings reports, economic indicators, everything. An AI can spot patterns and correlations that are simply impossible for the human brain to detect. It's like having a team of thousands of analysts working for you 24/7, without the coffee breaks. This isn't about replacing your judgment. It's about upgrading it with superhuman data processing power. Let's dive into the first type of tool that's a game changer: AI-powered stock screeners and research platforms. Forget basic filters like P/E ratio and market cap. Modern platforms use AI to go so much deeper. Imagine typing in a simple prompt like, "Show me undervalued tech stocks with strong cash flow and positive recent news sentiment." The AI doesn't just pull up a list. It analyzes, scores, and ranks them based on a huge array of factors. It can identify companies that are outperforming their peers in subtle ways or those that are showing early signs of a major breakout. It's like having a financial detective uncover clues that everyone else is missing. One of my favorite platforms right now is Trade Ideas. Their AI, named Holly, runs millions of simulated trades every single night and identifies strategies with the highest probability of success for the next trading day. In the morning, it presents you with a handful of high-potential trade ideas, both long and short. It tells you the entry point, the stop loss, and the profit target. It's an incredible tool for active traders who want data-driven ideas delivered to them on a silver platter. It's not about blind faith. It's about using statistical probability to your advantage. But what if you're not a day trader? What if you're a long-term, buy-and-hold investor? I have you covered there too. Take a look at tools like Magnifi. This platform uses AI in a really intuitive way. You can search for investments based on themes you care about. For example, you could search for companies leading the charge in renewable energy or invest in the future of electric vehicles. Magnifi's AI will then analyze thousands of stocks and ETFs to build a diversified list that matches your theme. It's a fantastic way to align your money with your values and discover companies you might have never found otherwise. It turns investing from a chore into a journey of discovery. Now let's talk about managing the biggest enemy of every investor: risk. This is where AI truly shines. Traditional risk management is often based on historical volatility. But AI can do so much more. It can perform what's called sentiment analysis. It scans social media, news headlines, and forums to gauge the overall mood around a particular stock or the market as a whole. Is the chatter getting overly euphoric? That might signal a bubble. Is there a sudden spike in negative mentions? That could be an early warning sign of trouble ahead. Platforms like StockPulse specialize in this, providing a real-time emotional barometer for the market. It gives you a crucial edge because markets, after all, are driven by human emotion. Another incredible AI application is portfolio optimization. You've probably heard of modern portfolio theory, which is all about balancing assets to maximize returns for a given level of risk. Well, AI takes this to a whole new level. AI-driven robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment don't just use a standard formula. They use algorithms to constantly monitor your portfolio and the market, looking for opportunities to rebalance, harvest tax losses, and adjust your asset allocation based on your changing goals and risk tolerance. It's like having a personal financial advisor who never sleeps and is constantly fine-tuning your strategy for optimal performance. For the hands-off investor, this is revolutionary. It automates the complex, tedious work, allowing your money to work smarter for you. Let's get practical. How can you start incorporating these tools? The first step is to identify your investing style. Are you an active trader looking for daily opportunities? A tool like Trade Ideas might be perfect. Are you a thematic long-term investor? Magnifi or similar platforms could be your go-to. Are you someone who wants to set it and forget it? A robo-advisor is likely your best bet. Don't try to use every tool at once. Start with one that aligns with your personality and goals. Many of these platforms offer free trials or freemium versions, so you can test them out and see what feels right without committing a dime. Play around with them, see how they work, and get comfortable with the data they provide. A crucial point to remember is that these AI tools are not a magic crystal ball. They are powerful assistants, not infallible oracles. The market is, and always will be, unpredictable to some degree. The goal of using AI is not to find a guaranteed win but to increase your probabilities of success. It's about making more informed, data-backed decisions and removing emotional bias from the equation. Never, ever blindly follow an AI suggestion without doing your own due diligence. Use the AI output as a powerful starting point for your own research. Understand why the AI is making a recommendation. Is it based on earnings growth, a technical pattern, news sentiment? The AI gives you the what, but it's your job to understand the why. That's how you truly grow as an investor. Think of it like a pilot flying a modern airplane. The plane has an incredibly sophisticated autopilot system that can handle most of the flight. But the pilot is still in the cockpit, monitoring the systems, making critical decisions, and ready to take manual control at a moment's notice. You are the pilot of your portfolio. AI is your advanced autopilot system. It can handle the heavy lifting of data analysis and routine tasks, freeing you up to focus on the big picture strategy and making the final call. This human-AI partnership is the future of successful personal investing. It combines the raw computational power of the machine with the wisdom, context, and intuition of the human mind. So let's recap the revolution that's happening right under our noses. We have AI-powered platforms that uncover hidden stock gems far beyond what basic screeners can do. We have tools that analyze market sentiment to give you an emotional edge and early warnings. We have robo-advisors that automate portfolio management with a level of sophistication previously reserved for the ultra-wealthy. The barrier to entry for institutional-grade analytics has been completely shattered. This is the single biggest democratization of financial power in our lifetime. You now have access to tools that hedge fund managers would have paid millions for just a decade ago. The question is no longer, can I use AI? But can I afford not to? The journey into AI investing can seem daunting, but it starts with a single step. Pick one platform we discussed today, sign up for a free trial, and just explore. Don't feel pressured to make a trade right away. Your first goal is to learn the language of the AI. See how it presents data. Understand its recommendations. The confidence you'll gain is immeasurable. The world of investing is evolving, and those who adapt will be the ones who thrive. You've taken the most important step just by watching this and educating yourself. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the future of investing. I hope you're as excited as I am about the possibilities these AI tools unlock for everyday people like us. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And for more content on how to use technology to build wealth and level up your financial life, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.